G'day, looking at our dash panel here inside. This is our EcoFlow dash panel. We're using this for our power system, and we can see here when you want to have a look through, just touch the button System, and it's mirrored here on the app. So let's just touch System and we go inside. We've now got our battery and available time, and this will be depending on how our fridge is cycling, how our lights, hot water and inverter are being used. Again, we're using here input and output. So when we're charging, we're going to see solar, car and 240. Output, we want to touch output, see what's happening here. We've got our 2 cycles. Just like the app, what we're going to do, we can see that's highlighted blue for AC. I can't find my switches, I must touch DC. Highlight this so that I've got that to blue, and I now am all doing my DC ones here. There's my switches, so we can then turn on my water pump, turn on my second pump. We've got our outside lights, canopy lights, and canopy fans, all cranking up. We can see individually what each one of those are using, and all our light system here and what that's using. We also get a total of how this has been running over a week or over a day, and we've used 138 watt hours throughout the morning here. We've also got then power that we can examine. There's no switches here. This is just going to tell me what my toilet, air heater, what my main switches are. Now if I accidentally touch one of those, don't worry, it's only changing the icon or it's only changing some information. So really, we touch that, it won't matter if I hit save, cancel or anything. We just want to keep those icons right there, demonstrating what each appliance is. That's a quick look at our DC switches on and off. We're now using 167 watts to use some of our appliances and lights. We're going to go back here to AC. We've got output. We can see here DC's highlighted blue. Let's check out AC, and this is where we can see items like our induction, if we plug a PowerPoint in, or other things there, what we're using. This is a quick look, the screen here, for my EcoFlow Power Hub and the 48-volt system, Kimberley campers and SEQ campers, Sunshine Coast. We get you there and back with luxury. Take the luxury with you, and this is our new luxury item. This is the Power Hub screen and app, and we're using a Cymarine here for our water part of the system. So this is talking about water. We'll get more in depth here, but once we do touch the screen, we do have the up and down arrows. Now we have calibrated these tanks and we've emptied them and filled them and set a calibration there so we can work through that. The other one that we're using this for is our thermometer or our temperature settings in our fridge. Now this one's set up with the 130-liter fridge, and I've got this set up here on the screen, and also to calibrate that I've used my own monitor just to make sure that I've got all that right. If you find that your fridge is too warm or is not seem to be working right on the screen, but it seems very cold in the fridge, please just double check with a thermometer and we can calibrate it inside there. It's also going to give us a few other things through there, but using this just as temperature and water, the Cymarine touchscreen in the 30th anniversary.